For this season, while you're with us, you're allowed, even encouraged, to be deliciously selfish. Hear me out. You've nurtured, grown, and birthed, or will soon birth, a whole human. You deserve the opportunity to replenish yourself in your postpartum season so that you can flourish as a parent for years to come. Inside of the Bloom Postpartum Wellness Method, you will find every resource you need to do just that. You'll join new mothers from all over the globe who have made the game-changing choice to make their postpartum wellness a priority without hesitation. 80+ days of course material, hours of educational content, expert guidance through an array of relevant topics, community group video calls, and supportive lectures, all designed for you in an easy-to-access digital format. I'm a certified birth and postpartum doula who has supported countless new families on their path of postpartum growth and healing. Allow me the privilege to do the same for you from the comfort of your couch or desk or even your favorite nursing chair. I am eager to see you inside of the Bloom Postpartum Wellness Method, where we will transform your postpartum season through education, support, and embrace.